can create your resume or build your resume from the dashboard by hitting the Create Resume button or hitting the Builder icon on the left side navigation. Once you get here, you're going to have three options. You have an option to start fresh. This will allow you to just start to fill out the resume sections manually. You can upload and enhance, so you can upload a resume that you already have that you might want to just update, or you can have AI generate an example resume to start from. The resume builder is built out into two sections. You have your form column here, and you have your preview column to the right. On the form column, you'll see that you have the ability to add applicant details, professional summary, your work history, multiple work histories if you want. And everything that you do on the left column is going to be reflected within the preview. Skills, education, links, and references. So all of this is based off of best practices for a resume. If you want to add additional sections, you can via the add section, custom section modal. You just name your section and voila, you have another section. At the top, you have your tools. So you have your save. You can save your documents. You can open your documents, download, or optimize. We're just going to go ahead and we'll have AI create one for us. Let's just say dog walker. And industry is pet care. You don't have to add the industry if you don't want to, but if you're trying to be specific. So once AI is done doing its thing, what we should have is a fully complete resume that we can edit. All right, example resume was generated. So you can see that Jessica Taylor is a dog walker with a professional summary, dedicated and compassionate dog walker with over 5 years of experience. She has at least 3 different roles that she's been in. She has references, links to her portfolio of dog walking, which is amazing, education, and her skills. So one thing to point out, which is really cool, is if you want, you can change the order of your resume sections. So on the left section columns, you can go ahead and drag and drop if it's available. The applicant details and the professional summary are always going to be at the top, so they're fixed, but all other sections are reorderable. So let's just put skills closer to the top. So we'll replace it here. And now, if you look here, you'll see that skills is the second to the top next to the professional summary. You can also do things like take out skills altogether, which is not recommended, of course. Let's do some other things just so you can see. Cut out some things out of the professional summary. And yeah, let's just do that for now. So what can we do from here? We have the ability to save this resume. So if I save it, dog walker, yeah, that makes sense. Now that it's saved, you'll see that there is a resume header above the form section columns. Now this header indicates that you have an opened resume and that it's going to be auto-saved. So anything that you do here is going to reflect on the preview and is going to be saved automatically. So no need to save it. If you want to save, you can save another version, right? Like if you want to save another version, you can go ahead and hit save and you can save another version. Just make sure that you change the name because you can't have the same named resume. We can download the resume as a PDF, Word, or a text file. Other things that you can do, of course, you can optimize. So when you optimize a resume, you have two options. You can optimize it for a specific job post, which will take you to the optimizer page with your resume pre-selected as the resume to be optimized, or you can just make it better. So in this one, we're going to just make it better. Remember, we took out some skills and we deleted some of the professional summary. So what AI is going to do here is going to look through our resume and make sure that it's complete in that best practices format. It will also emphasize skills, and it will show you a complete list of all of the things that it changed to enhance your resume. So in this case, we have 3 improvements. You can see that the professional summary that we deleted, it decided that it wasn't good enough, so it gave us a better one. It changed some of the bullet points within our work history, and it added skills that pertained to the professional title. Now let's optimize this for a specific job post. So it's telling us exactly what we're going to get. We're going to have the ability to add a job post. So now we're on the optimizer page, and you can see that the resume that we selected is already ready for the job post. So now all we have to do is go grab a job post, hit optimize, and you have an optimized resume. So that's how you build a resume with Res-Krush.